We present you a new video. We hope it will help you. BMW F Series, key battery replacement. When the message Remonti Control Replace Battery appears on the board, that's all you have to do quickly and cheaply. Remove the mechanical key. Use a thin screwdriver to remove the back cover of the key. The new battery is of the CR2450 type. Replace the battery within a maximum interval of 30 seconds. The error message is gone. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.